If a light just lit up on your Toyota dashboard and you're sitting in a parking lot Googling what it means, you are in the right place. I'm going to walk you through every warning light Toyota uses, what each one actually means, and exactly how much you should expect to pay to fix it in 2026. Not the inflated dealership quote, the real number. But here's the part nobody talks about. There is one light on this list that 9 out of 10 owners completely ignore, and it's the single most expensive light on the entire dashboard if you let it sit. I'm going to show you which one, and I'm going to do it last, so don't skip ahead. You'll know when we get there. Let's go. Here's the part that's frustrating, and you already know what I'm about to say. You're driving. Maybe you're on the way to work, maybe you just picked up the kids, maybe you're 200 miles into a road trip, and out of nowhere, the dash lights up. Maybe it's orange, maybe it's red, maybe the car sounds the same, but now there's this little symbol staring at you, and your brain immediately goes to two places. Is it safe to keep driving? And how much is this about to cost me? So you do what every reasonable person does. You pull over. You Google the symbol. And what you get back is a wall of forum posts from 2014, an AI summary that contradicts itself, and a YouTube video with a guy yelling about something that has nothing to do with your car. Meanwhile, the light is still on. Your stomach is in a knot. And the dealership doesn't open until tomorrow. I made this video because I got sick of watching Toyota owners. People who bought the most reliable cars on the planet on purpose get fleeced by panic. So we're going to fix that right now. By the end of this video, you'll be able to look at any light on your dash and know in 3 seconds whether to keep driving, pull over, or call a tow truck, and what it'll cost. The first rule of Toyota dashboard lights, and this is the one trick that does 80% of the work for you, is color is urgency. Green or blue equals informational. The car is telling you a system is on. Cruise control, high beams, eco mode. You can ignore it. Cost, $0. Yellow or orange equals caution. Something needs attention soon, but you are not in immediate danger. Drive home. Drive to a shop in the next few days. Red equals stop. Pull over when it's safe. This is the car telling you that continuing to drive will cause damage, danger, or both. Memorize that. Tattoo it on your brain. Now let's go through the actual lights. Check engine light, yellow engine outline. The most famous one. 90% of the time on a Toyota, this is one of three things: a loose gas cap, a failed oxygen sensor, or a worn evap purge valve. Gas cap is free. O2 sensor is $80 to $200 parts, $150 to $400 installed. Evap valve, similar. Tighten your gas cap, drive 50 miles, and see if it clears before you spend a dime. Maintenance required. Yellow wrench or maint required. This is not a problem. It is literally a calendar reminder for an oil change. Toyota sets it to trigger every 5,000 miles. If you just changed your oil, this light costs $0. Your mechanic forgot to reset it. TPMS. Yellow horseshoe with exclamation point. Tire pressure. Either one of your tires is low, or the temperature dropped 20 degrees overnight. Check pressure at a gas station. $0 to $5. If a sensor itself fails, you're looking at $60 to $120 per wheel. VSC/traction control. Yellow car with squiggly lines. Vehicle stability control. On older Toyotas, this often pops up alongside the check engine light because they share a circuit. Same diagnostic process. Don't panic. ABS. Yellow ABS in a circle. Your anti-lock brakes are off. Regular brakes still work. Drive carefully to a shop. Usually a wheel speed sensor. $150 to $350 to fix. Brake system. Red exclamation point in a circle, or brake. This is red. This matters. Either your parking brake is on, your brake fluid is low, or there's a real problem in the hydraulic system. Pull over. Check the parking brake first. If that's not it, low fluid is a $20 top-up, but it usually means a leak. Get it inspected before driving further. Real brake repairs run $300 to $1,200, depending on what's leaking. Battery. Red battery symbol. Your charging system is failing. The car is currently running on stored battery power and will eventually die. You usually have 20 to 40 minutes of driving left. Get to a shop. Alternator replacement is $400 to $800. Battery replacement is $150 to $300. Oil pressure. Red oil can. Pull over immediately. Do not finish the trip. Do not make it to the next exit. Engine damage starts within minutes. If oil level is low, top up and the light should clear. If it doesn't, tow it. Driving with no oil pressure can turn a $50 fix into a $6,000 engine. Coolant temperature, red thermometer. Same rule, pull over. Engine is overheating. Driving 5 more miles will warp the head gasket. A simple coolant top-up is $15. A blown head gasket on a Toyota is $1,500 to $3,500. Airbag/SRS, yellow person with a circle. Your airbag system isn't going to deploy in a crash. The car is otherwise fine, but you're driving without that safety net. Diagnostic is usually $100 to $200. Repair varies wildly. $200 to $1,500, depending on the cause. AWD/4WD lights. Mostly informational on RAV4s, Highlanders, 4Runners. Flashing usually means a system fault. Get it scanned, but it's not urgent. And here's the one I told you about, the red triangle with an exclamation point. And on hybrids, the hybrid system warning. This light shows up and people ignore it for weeks because the car still drives normally. That is the trap. On a Prius, Camry hybrid, RAV4 hybrid, or Highlander hybrid, this light is the early warning that your hybrid battery, inverter, or one of the electrical control modules is starting to fail. If you catch it early, a single bad cell replacement runs $400 to $900. If you ignore it until the car won't start, you are looking at a $2,500 to $4,500 hybrid battery pack, the most expensive single repair on any modern Toyota. That's the light to never ignore. 3 key insights worth remembering. Insight number 1. Color tells you the timeline. Green is information, yellow is this week, red is right now. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember that. It will save you from a $400 panic tow truck for a light that just meant your gas cap was loose. Insight number 2. The cheapest fix is usually the right one. Toyotas are simple cars by design. The most common cause of any warning light is a $5 to $80 part, a gas cap, a sensor, a valve, a battery. Always check the cheap stuff first. Always. Mechanics know this. Most people don't, which is exactly why dealerships quote $900 for a $40 problem. Insight number 3. The light that doesn't seem scary is the one that costs the most. The red triangle on a hybrid drives normally. The check engine light drives normally. The TPMS light drives normally. Driving normally is not the same as being okay. Your Toyota is engineered to keep going through problems that would shut other cars down, which is great, until you realize that's also why people ignore the early warnings until the bill has 3 commas in it. Tell me in the comments, what color is the light on your dash right now? Just the color. Yellow, red, or, thank God, none. I'll personally reply to the first 50 people and tell you what I do. One last thing. Your Toyota, especially if it's a hybrid, has features built into it that 95% of owners will never discover. Not gimmicks, not gadgets. Real, hidden settings that change your fuel economy, change how the car drives, even change what shows up on this exact dashboard we just talked about. Toyota didn't put them in the manual. The dealership didn't show them to you. And once you see them, you are going to be furious you've been driving without them this whole time. That's the next video. I'm walking through every hidden Toyota hybrid feature you'll regret not knowing, including one button combination that completely changes how your hybrid operates, and almost nobody knows it exists. Subscribe so it shows up when it drops.